What's up, YouTubers? In this video, I am going to review the Hayabusa T3 Kanpeki striking shin guards. Let's hop to it. So a few weeks ago, I bought some boxing gloves and I reviewed them. They were also made by Hayabusa. They came from the same Kanpeki series. I love my boxing gloves so much. That was the selling point for me. I went ahead and bought some more Hayabusa stuff. These shin guards are made out of the same beautiful leather as the gloves. It's 100% full grain leather. Not only is it beautiful to look at, but it also boasts incredible durability. So these shin guards should last me a really long time. It's a very tough, strong leather. The shin guards are pre-curved, and they're also very flexible. This enables them to wrap around your legs without too much bulk, while at the same time protecting not just your shin, but the top of your ankle, your foot, your instep, and then they have this little tab which protects the outer edge of your knee. Not all shin guards have it. This is a very important area to protect. You really don't want your knee joint to be messed with by a kick or anything, so it's nice to divert some of that impact off the knee. So Hayabusa also has this very unique foam on the inside of the shin guards. And this foam absorbs impact incredibly well. It absorbs impact immediately, and then it refreshes itself so that if you're going to throw a subsequent kick or you're going to block multiple kicks from somebody else, it's going to protect your legs. So on the back of the shin guards, you'll see that they have a very open design. There's two straps for your calf, one strap for your ankle, and one strap for your foot. This is done on purpose to protect your legs from overheating. You really don't want your legs to sweat too much when you're in pads, because sweat is moisture, and when your legs become moist, things get slippery, and you really don't want the shin guard to go flying if you're in a sparring situation. If you look really closely at the inside of the shin guard, you'll notice that it has a silicone coating on it. It's got little divots that have silicone on them, which further ensures that the shin guard stays put. So even if you do sweat a little bit, it's going to be a very secure, tight fit. The shin guard's not going anywhere. Also, if you're a dummy like me, you'll appreciate this feature. Each shin guard is labeled left and right. So you won't show up to the gym wearing your shin guards incorrectly, and then all your friends will be laughing at you, and you're going to go home very sad. So thank you, Hayabusa, for doing that. All in all, I'm stoked on these. They're comfortable. They keep my legs safe. They stay on my feet. They protect me. That's absolutely hands down the most important feature. And that's about that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out that boxing glove video. I'll put a link to it in this video.